Hello YouTube, how you doing today? This is Android Kid, and today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins and keys on Subway Surfer. Well, not really, but it would just be a lot of coins and keys for you. Okay, first what you would need to do is go to your home screen. Now, listen. Next, what you would need to do is delete Subway Surfer. Trust me, guys. You would need to delete Subway Surfer. Hold on. Just find it. There we go. Okay. Okay. After you done that, next what you would want to do is go to Google. Okay, the website what you would need to go to is hold on one second, osmdroid.net. Go to Google and type in osmdroid.net, and it will say Subway Surfer. Now let me show you the people who don't understand. See? And it'll be at the top right here. Okay. Next, what you will want to do is scroll down till you see this: Transylvania, Romania, mod, unlimited keys and coins, and click on read more. Once you click on that, it will take you to this. Scroll down, and then you will put in media share. Okay, go to media share. Oh, I'm sorry about that. And it will say this: download. Press download. Okay, press okay. This is only for Android. Prepare your download. It will be. Wow, 74 emails. Okay, but anyway, hold on one second. It should be finished. Download is complete. Okay, click on that. Package installer. Okay, click install. Sorry, my camera is really messing up today. Hold on one second. Let's put accept. Okay, it will say application installed. Once you put that, press at the bottom, at the very bottom, you will want to press okay, open. Sorry about that. Okay, put later. Okay, let's see if it worked. I never did this before. I just know the instructions. Did it work? Oh my god. Are you serious? It really worked. Look at how those boards. Surfer boards. Wow. That is a lot. Wow. And all the characters unlocked? Are you serious? All the characters are unlocked. Even the special ones. Wow, all of them are literally... This really works. Oh, look how many keys I have. Gazillion, billion, trillion, billion of keys. Oh my god. Oh my god, it really works. Let me see about the boards. Oh my, even the boards are unlocked too. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you could sign into Facebook and you'll even get more coins. Oh my god, are you serious right now? Wow. care. Well, okay guys, I really hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe if this really helped you, and I will make more videos. And I guess peace out. Thanks for watching.